Hello everyone, I was watching a Dottotech video today, and Steve Dotto was mentioning a cool feature that Zoom has the ability to link your iPhone or iPad to your Zoom meeting. I know I'd done the same thing with my Samsung phone, but I'd forgotten how. Android users can share their screen, but in a different way. I went to YouTube to find out how, but I found very little content. That's why I was making this video. Here's how we can share our screen. There's a little bonus at the end that I found quite cool. First, I'm going to start a new meeting in Zoom. I might as well show my video here. And the next step is to now log into this meeting from my Android phone. So I'm just going to press on the Zoom setting here, join meeting. I have to put in the meeting ID. And I now should be joining the meeting, and there I am. And now you can see me also on my Android. The next thing I'm going to do is press the share button on my Android phone and then press one of the options, which is screen. And when I do that, my Android screen shows up in the meeting. And now I can do anything on my Android phone and it will show up on the screen here. So I can scroll through different programs or selections and pick a program and it'll just show everything on the screen. One that I kind of enjoy is in my camera. I can actually show my camera working. I'm going to use the Cinema FV5 Lite, and the reason for that is my Android camera does not turn sideways. Just to give you an idea. So the really cool thing to me about this camera is it looks like you're looking through the viewfinder, kind of like you see on TV shows when they're trying to show somebody recording a home video. And I think that was kind of an interesting look. There you go. Hope that's helpful. Bye for now.